Hey folks, it's Greg Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And yesterday, I got an interesting call from a real estate agent friend of mine who wanted some advice on commercial property here in Rhode Island. Now, don't get me wrong. There's plenty of great commercial opportunities for owning, that is, the spot or the building in which a company operates. But 99% of the time, it's a total nightmare, a total disaster, and it's useless from an investment standpoint to have any type of commercial spaces in your building. Now, we all know Rhode Island. Small businesses started and continue to propel this state. However, you know and you see how many vacant storefronts there are. And the most common ones are the first floor of a three-family building. Back in the day, somebody would work there and they and their family lived upstairs. A very honorable way, okay, and a very respectable way to make a living. But nowadays, the business field and the dynamic has changed completely, and that's why renting these properties is a total nightmare, okay? We try all the time. Huge space, 1,000 square feet, great area, plenty of parking, utilities included. Maybe we're getting $600, maybe we're getting $700. But the problem is, folks, this is not where people rest their head, okay? I'll repeat that. It's not where they live. So when you have that situation, it's the second bill that's going to be paid. Their mortgage or their rent is first. Their business rent is second. That's just the way it is. They need somewhere to live before they need somewhere to do business. Okay? So the problem with these spaces is that you're second in line to get paid, and most people will fail as a small business owner, or they're going to move to a bigger space or a better space. So there's very little loyalty and there's a very low success rate. And on top of that, the rents are lower than residential rents. So if you are looking to buy investment property, stay away from the mixed use. It's a total disaster. Go 100% residential. All of the good commercial space is taken and it's not being sold, okay? Nobody's giving away free money. So when you see commercial spaces that are included in your package, in the investment that you're buying, it's too good to be true. And that's the hard truth. That is what it is. And if you have anything to say, any advice, any feedback, please comment below and we'll happily talk to you. And feel free to check us out on the web, nexuspropertymanagement.com. Once again, this is Gregory Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management, your property managed.